We begin tonight with a rare reproach from Chief Justice John Roberts. For more than 2 centuries, it has been established that impeachment is not an appropriate response to disagreement. Those words from the Chief Justice came hours after President Trump posted online that the judge who temporarily blocked use of the Alien Enemies Act to deport non-citizens should be impeached. Chief Legal Correspondent Jan Crawford joins me now. Jan, it's good to be with you. How surprising is this statement? And I'm asking in 2 ways. One, in kind of the history of Chief Justices, and then 2, how surprising is it coming from John Roberts right now?
Well, John, I'd say it's unusual. It's rare, but it's not unprecedented. The Chief Justice, who's head of the federal judiciary, has grown increasingly alarmed in recent years by attacks from the left and the right on judges. And I mean, it was just in December when he released his annual year-end report. I think he was even more forceful defending judicial independence. And I'm going to quote that. He said, "Attempts to intimidate judges for their rulings in cases are inappropriate and should be vigorously opposed."
And so the concern there, Jan, it seems like is twofold. One is violence, of course, and then is the second basically just the loss of trust, the low public opinion of judges if they can be kind of talked down that way.
Right. And I mean, that's kind of all Roberts can do is say, stop this, knock it off, because that's the whole point of the rule of law. I mean, people have to have faith and confidence in what courts do. They don't have standing armies to enforce their decisions. They don't have the power of the purse like Congress does. And so these kind of political attacks that we've seen from the left and the right are really undermining public confidence in our courts. And the Chief Justice actually singled out, for example, just a few years ago, Democratic Senator Chuck Schumer when he stood on front of the steps of the Supreme Court and said that conservative justices would reap the whirlwind and pay the price if they continued with what he said were these awful anti-abortion rulings. Roberts at that time called that inappropriate, and to your point about violence, dangerous.